What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Best of Hackingtons, episode 176. Let's look at the coolest projects that you guys built last week. And in case you haven't seen the messages tab on Hackingtons, check it out. I'm on there all day long. If you want to just pop by and say hi, or you have a question about your code, or you need to be leveled up, drop it in the messages tab and we will take a look. All right, let's get started. First up, we have Annika M2's incredible clicker website. Now, this is really cool because it actually saves your high score. You can see in true Teacher Steven fashion, my high score is, well, 6. Let's see if I can beat my high score right here, live on the Best of Hackingtons. Boom, just like that. Beat my high score, hit save, and now my high score has been updated to 10. And even if I refresh the page or go away from it and come back, my high score is saved. That is awesome. I also really love the pink and black aesthetic here, Annika. Awesome job. Next up, we have ArvidARS, the strongest Naruto characters out there. Now, Arvid, you've been building a ton of stuff in Unity. I love that you took a break and you came and checked out some web development stuff. Now, this website is pretty good. I would say the color on this text is a little hard to read because so many of these backgrounds are black and you have black text. I would change it to, well, I would say yellow, but then you got the yellow hair over here. I don't know, play with the colors there, maybe change them up. But the coolest part of this, check this out. Boom, it completely changes the website based on the screen size, which is so important. Something like 90% of the traffic that Hackingtons gets is from mobile. This is hackingtons.com, the website your parents go to pay us. Most of that happens through the mobile website. So if your website doesn't look good on a phone, then your website just doesn't look good because so few people see it nice and big like this. But it even looks big, even looks good, big, awesome job, Arvid. All right, here we have Songum SS's incredible Python text adventure game. Now, one, I love the colors here. That is so cool. You separated the story elements from the stats elements from the choice elements. That's a super smart thing to do. But check out this story. Welcome to the 5th dimension. This is a place of many wonders. But if you do something wrong, then the ruler of the 5th dimension should hunt you down and destroy you. But the ruler is not feeling well. Uh-oh, what are we going to do? The subjects think that something is wrong, but the warriors of the king will destroy anyone who thinks that the ruler is not sick. Ooh, okay. So I know this is work in progress, so I can only pick the right direction, but I'm going to go right. You see 2 glasses laying on the ground. One of them are cursed. Uh-oh, are these the cursed glasses? Is that why I'm so bad at video games? Do you pick the first one or the other one? I'm going to pick the first one. You pick the one closer to you. The royal warriors come to you. They say that you are the chosen one and must go to the pond of truths. What is this? To claim the wizard's staff. Then you can beat the dragon that cursed the ruler. Because, okay, I'm not going to ruin the entire story. So this is awesome. I want to see a full-fledged movie out of this story. If you're not already writing for Hollywood, I don't know, call up Disney. I think they're hiring some writers. This is awesome. All right, that's it for the Best of Hackingtons. Hopefully everybody is taking advantage of the free classes in the mornings. We have Unity and Python and HTML and Scratch all the time, so check out the tab on hackingtons.io, kind of the homepage. They're listed out there when they're available. Also, Fun Friday was a huge success. We're hoping to add a few more things coming this Friday, but we'll see what we can get done. Thank you all for sticking with us and having an awesome time in class. If you have any questions, drop them in the messages tab. Like I said, I'm there all day long and keep the community alive. You guys are being awesome and I love it. This is so much fun. All right, go out there and build something amazing.